Hey new beaders, it is Razor here, and today let's quickly learn how to identify 7 common type of bead you see everywhere and that you can easily use to work. So number one, we have the seed bead or sand bead. You know those small tiny bead. So those ones are used for like details. You can use it for maybe a bracelet. You can use it to design your bags when you are done. Like this is just for details pattern, like detail pattern. That is what seed or sand beads are used for, and they are very tiny. But so we have the almighty crystal. Yes, the shine and sparkle under the light. And it is actually beautiful. Crystal bead comes in different sizes. We have size 8, size 6, and so on. But it is not like it is very stressful when you are beading with crystal beads. And but when you are done, the outcome is always beautiful. So number 3, we have the Yori bead, berry beads, popcorn beads, anyhow you call it. So it is like a round texture bead, and it is perfect for bold design. Like there's one particular this thing that is raining with this bag, one particular design that is raining with this bead rather. So Yori very big popcorn bead, we have that one. And the fourth one, you are a beader and you don't know sugar beading. Why? We have been allowed sugar bead, clear crystal. Just name it, different type of color of sugar beads. So we have sugar beads, and it is smooth, it is glossy, it is beautiful, and it is easy. Yes, it is easy to use whenever you are beading with sugar bead. Sugar bead is stress free. So and to the next one, we have the pear bead. The pear bead is actually easy for me to use, both any colors, any size, any for any design, but not all design. Yes, but pear bead is actually beautiful and easy. And we have the straw beads. Yes, the straw beads, and straw beads are really common with beaded bags, but you know those that beads on clothes, they actually make use of. So droplets or spike beads is actually used in like it is used in designing a bag, maybe whenever you want to do a virtual bag, or maybe whenever you want to do all this fancy bag, all this Oga Madam bag, yes. But whenever you see spiky or your bead, just know that that bead it is expensive. So now when you shop for beads, you will know the exact name, the exact type of bead that you are shopping for, and you're not just going to just buy anyhow beads and